How can you clone your iPad to make it show up on your laptop? Let's explain that. But if you are new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely ensure you are subscribed to it because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. So there are two options. You either have the Mac computer like from Apple, or you might be using Windows. In either case, it's going to work similarly because if you have a Mac, you can just swipe down from the top right corner of your iPad, go to the screen mirroring, which is the double rectangle option, and there you should be able to see all of your devices where you can screen mirror or like clone and duplicate your screen too. So if you use the same Apple account on both devices, like on your Mac computer, you'll be able to find it in here and just tap on it. The connection will be established and the screen of the iPad will be mirrored on the Mac computer. However, if you have Windows, it doesn't really work that way because at first on your Windows laptop, you need to download an app which is called AirPlay Screen Mirroring Receiver. You can find it officially in the Microsoft Store, so it's like an official app, and you need to download it, make sure you set it up, like install and everything, and then on your iPad, you'll be able to do the very same thing as with your Mac computer. So you'll go to the control center again, set up the screen mirroring, and you'll be able to see your Windows in there as well, and just connect it, just like with your Mac. And the same thing will happen where your iPad screen will show up on your laptop. So I hope it's going to work for you. Most definitely let me know about that. If it does, just hit the thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the next tutorials.